Hi there, Cornelia here. I would like to welcome you to another new video. This time we will unbox the Lenovo M10 Full HD Plus. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to stay updated to future videos. I am planning to make more unboxing, reviews, but also tech tutorials of software. So this is a cover of the packaging of the tablet. We can see they mentioned the model name, Tab M10 Full HD Plus. On the middle we can see a nice image of the front side and the back side of the tablet. On the right hand side we can see the blue version of the logo of Lenovo. This is the left side of the packaging. They mentioned the resolution. On the bottom side, you have a nice gradient from purple to blue. This is the right side. Again, we have the model name. The top side has again a nice gradient. This is the back side again. We can see some features and also the serial codes. Firstly, they mentioned that there is a premium metal design. There is a 10.3-inch Full HD IPS display. There's a powerful octa-core chip, and they also mentioned the 8 megapixel rear camera and the 5 megapixel front camera. Furthermore, they mentioned that it's of course Android and a Dolby Atmos is available for the audio. Let's open up the box right now and see what's inside. We are greeted with the tablet straight away. It's packed in some plastic foil. You can see the Lenovo logo already there. So let's unwrap this. I must say the tablet has a real nice weight to it. It's not too heavy, it's not light, it feels of a certain quality. So let's go ahead and unwrap this. Here you see it unwrapped, the front side. You can also see my camera, sorry about that. This is the back side. It's a nice metal finish. We see the nice Lenovo logo right here. And the camera lens is right here. On the top side we can see a headphone jack and a speaker. On the left side we have a docking spot for the docking station. On the bottom side we have again a speaker and also the charging spot. On the right hand side we can see the lock button and also the volume rockers. Now let's check out the box. We are greeted straight away with an ejecting tool. This one doesn't have a SIM card spot, but it does have a micro SD spot. And we have a user guide. Let's check what's more. We have the adapter for charging. It's nice in black, suits the tablet very well. It's just a regular charging brick, it's not for fast charging, by the way. Here we have the charging cable. Let's unwrap this quickly. Let's see, this is a USB 2.0 to USB-C. Of course, this goes right in the charging brick. Is that about it? Let me check. I think that's it, guys. There's nothing more or less than all these items. So let's check the tablet again. Thank you very much for watching. If you like and subscribe, you will get updated on more videos. I will share more reviews, unboxing, but also tips and tricks on computer, Android, Apple devices, etc. Please feel free to put your comments on the comment box down below. If you have any feedback or remarks, I would be glad to hear them. Thank you very much again and take care.